Hey everyone, this is Eric back with Auto Replay on this 2008 Dodge Nitro, and going to take a look at the front suspension. I got it jacked up right now, and let me show you what I found. So just looking at on this side, I mean the bushings are a little bit worn, if you can see that. Get you in there pretty good. And on that side, this side may not, yeah, there's some cracking going on there. Bump stop is a little wore out, but not terrible. Get underneath, and where these sway bar links are, yeah, there's definitely cracking going on there. You know, probably up on top here. I can't really see that, but and then I'm wondering about the lower, I guess the shocks and all that too. But let's see about the lower control arms. There's some right there. I mean, it's probably not terrible, but oh, hold on, we definitely got a steering rack leak. Oh, that's probably more concerning. Let me take a look at this real quick. Hold on. So I got this wheel turned all the way on the passenger side out, and looking at that, yeah, that boot is definitely torn. I wonder if that's where one of my issue is. I mean, it's leaking pretty bad from there. I don't think it's coming, maybe come from up above, but let's see. I necessarily don't really see anything. I mean, there's a little something. Maybe like a valve cover or something, but nothing in particular. Well, I found the reason why my ESP light keeps coming on. This wire that's right in here melted again from, it looks like the brake caliper is hanging up. As you can see on this rotor right here, it's just stuck. And so I'm going to have to change out this caliper, the ABS sensor, probably the rotor again, and then that should get it going. All right, so let me do some research and get back with y'all. Catch you in the next one.